Hi, I'm Miguel Martinez. I am 30 years old and I was born in Mexico. When I was about 2 years old, my parents immigrated to the US and of course they brought me with them. We moved to East Los Angeles where we used to live in the basement of an apartment complex. My mom was able to find work as a seamstress at a local bridal boutique and my dad was a musician on the streets. I was too young to know at the time, but we lived in what would be considered below poverty level. When I was about 7 years old, we moved to Fresno, California, where things were a little bit better. I grew up there and I went to high school there. When I graduated from high school, I was 18 years old and I felt that it was important for me to become a U.S. citizen. I have always felt a stronger connection to the U.S., even though I was born in Mexico. I will always consider myself an American, so I became a U.S. citizen. But ever since I can remember, my parents have always worked hard and have always sacrificed in order to give me the opportunity to succeed in this country, and they take every opportunity to remind me of that. So that's probably my biggest motivation in getting a university degree. I am the first one in my family to go to college. And I'm very excited that as of May of 2014, I'll be able to see the expression on my parents' faces when I walk the stage and receive my bachelor's degree in advertising with a focus in English.